Forget Mars. Forget the moon. There is a world in our solar system with black sand dunes, rivers carving through icy plains, and vast lakes under a hazy, orange sky. It rains, it has seasons, and its thick atmosphere is brewing the complex chemistry for life. This is Titan, and NASA is sending a nuclear-powered drone to fly through its skies. This isn't science fiction. This is Dragonfly, the most audacious space mission ever conceived. To understand why Dragonfly is revolutionary, you must first understand its target. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is a looking-glass Earth, but with the recipe scrambled. First, it has an active hydrological cycle, but with liquid methane. Just like Earth's water, methane evaporates, forms clouds, and rains down, carving rivers and filling lakes. Second, it's an organic factory. Its thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere is constantly zapped by sunlight, producing a soup of complex carbon-based molecules that drift down like snow. These are the prebiotic building blocks of life. And third, hidden beneath its icy crust, evidence strongly suggests a global subsurface ocean of liquid water. This means Titan has the holy trinity: energy, organic molecules, and a liquid solvent. It is, by far, the most life-friendly environment in the solar system besides Earth. Exploring this world requires a machine as alien as the landscape. A rover would get stuck in the dunes. An orbiter can't sniff the atmosphere. The answer? A flying laboratory. Dragonfly is an 8-rotor rotorcraft, essentially a large, advanced drone. In Titan's thick atmosphere and low gravity, flying is actually easier than driving. It will leapfrog tens of kilometers at a time, transforming our exploration from a single snapshot to an epic road movie across an alien world. Its heart is a multi-mission radioisotope thermoelectric generator, or MMRTG, a nuclear battery. Solar power is useless in Titan's haze. This system uses the steady heat from decaying plutonium to generate electricity, powering Dragonfly through the long Titan days and nights for a planned mission of over 2 years. Its science payload is a full chemistry lab, mass spectrometers to identify complex organic molecules, sensors to study the atmosphere and geology, and even a drill to sample the icy surface and see what that organic snow has built up over eons. The journey itself is a monumental feat. Dragonfly is scheduled to launch in 2027. It will then embark on a 7-year voyage, slingshotting past Venus and Earth to gain the speed needed to reach the Saturnian system, arriving around 2035. Once there, it will descend through Titan's atmosphere protected by a heat shield, deploy a parachute, and finally detach to fly itself down to its first landing site, the Shangri-La Dune Fields. From this initial base, Dragonfly will execute a series of daring flights. Its ultimate destination is the Selk Impact Crater, where scientists believe liquid water once mixed with the surface organics, creating a potentially habitable soup for perhaps thousands of years. By comparing samples from the dunes and the crater, Dragonfly will effectively conduct the first ever field experiment in astrobiology on another world. The implications of what Dragonfly might find are universe-shaking. If it detects signatures of water-based life in the subsurface, it would prove that life is not a unique miracle of Earth, but a common feature of the cosmos, a cosmic imperative. If it finds only the complex precursors to life, it will give us an unprecedented look at the chemical steps that led to us, a frozen moment in the recipe of creation. And technologically, Dragonfly is a pathfinder. Success here opens the skies of other worlds, like the acidic clouds of Venus or the methane skies of other gas giants, to aerial exploration. We are learning to explore not just with wheels, but with wings. Dragonfly represents a bold shift. We are no longer just visiting other worlds. We are sending dedicated scientists, in the form of robots, to seek answers to the oldest questions. Are we alone? How did we begin? In a decade, a tiny, nuclear-powered Dragonfly will take flight in an alien sky, and our understanding of our place in the universe may change forever. What do you think Dragonfly will find? Let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to Cosmic Pulse. We'll be covering every step of this incredible journey, from launch to first flight. Thanks for watching.